Well, it's Tuesday, August 5th. Out here at the old race shop. Getting her all buttoned up tonight. House is doing a bolt check. Max and Darren are in there setting shots. We're going to put her in the box tonight. I'll be ready to go to Brownstown Thursday night, I believe, for a practice session. From there, they're going up to Sycamore with Mars on Friday. And then the Mighty Macon Raceway on Saturday, 50 lap, 10,000 to win with Mars. She probably will not come back looking as good as she leads. And we just beat out what was on there from Fairbury. Conan was out last night, got the air conditioner going. Looks like they're putting her through tests now. Still got tires to do tonight. It never ends. Did have a lower radiator hose go bad on us at Fairbury. Got that all changed. New one on there. Got to put fluid back in it. And I think that's everything up here. I'm putting body work back on it. Ollie's laying there sucking up the fan. Dave's doing his thing. Leveling the car so they can set the front end.
Got another few tabs.
I'm over here
Let's stop there. Let's see
straightening straps. Yeah, close.
Probably just 29, 50. No. Too low?
No, 20, like 25, 35, 50.
2,500?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was 29. The fucking, once you get it, you find it cheap.
Yeah.
Keep going faster.
Good as new. Yeah, getting her put back together so she's looking like something. Put that fender on, put the hood on, and it is, put the tires on, she's ready to go in the box. Take a good look at his right side, because I can guarantee it will not look like that when we get done Saturday night. None of you ever seen Macon on TV, been there in person. It is a tight little joint where you're definitely going to knock the right rear off unless you're just playing huggy pole around the bottom. Bit there, Beavis.
Yeah, it's what you just got finished. It's fuck, man. Shouldn't be bent then, right? Just roll around on the car, you know?
That's as bent as your frame is.
Alright. That's a little far. God damn, I didn't even go that.
That was a little far. That was a little far.
So what are you doing all this shit for if you ain't even got a frame?
So I know what else I need to send off.
No. A shock for starters.
Yeah.
What all it been?
Just the front.
Front clip.
Yeah.
She's ready to roll in the box. Ava's saying it's time to eat. Do what?
We ain't going nowhere.
Ain't got a shock on it?
No, that's going right here.
Well, I mean, you don't necessarily need one, but it does help. She's loaded. Crash cart's loaded. Gotta get the pit box in there and the four-wheeler, and we are done for the night. And it is 8:15, so not a bad night. Getting it shoehorned in here. Right.
That's interesting.
He said take that wheel so he can put a new tire on it. Parking her for the night. Yeah, that's going to do it for this one. They are headed to Brownstown Thursday night for an open practice there. I think they're going to leave there and start heading towards Sycamore on Friday. And then be at Macon on Saturday. Check Friday and Saturday night out on Flow. Catch y'all later.